Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like a few weeks worth of time right here, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green lines are coming from. And the power of charts has once again made itself apparent in real time. I realize this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched yesterday's video, but I guess you can go in the archives and watch it. But you know, there's no such thing as a guarantee. So if you're expecting to go back and watch a video and hear me say, and I guarantee tomorrow it's gonna go up to 550. I never said that, but I said, you know, the interesting action with the price the way it got up, pulled back, but yet was able to build a higher low. So the question going into today was, you know, is this the start of something potentially bigger? And we got our answer today. Yeah, it's the start of something. Now the new question just becomes, it has started. Is it going to continue to get continuation? Is it going to continue to progress in the upwards direction? So with that, we need to add in a couple more areas. I'm definitely going to leave 425 here because that's still kind of that key overall level. And I'm definitely going to call that the must-hold level of support. But now near term, and it's always good when, you know, prices are, you know, adding in levels of support, is right here at, actually, what is that? Let me make sure. 490. Why is 490 important? Well, price made a move up during the first 30 minutes and got rejected right there. So that's where it would, you know, it flat out was a level of resistance. But right here, you can see the price actually broke above it. Now, a foundational principle in charting is when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And surprise, surprise, check out during this 30-minute session right here, it pulled back, pulled back, pulled back. And classic example of this resistance now turning into support. So preferably speaking, if the price can hold up above 490 going forward, that's going to make this move look the best. Now, if it doesn't, I'm still not going to call it totally ruined because you have, you know, the 425 level down there. But yeah, preferably speaking, you definitely want to see that level hold. If you're a fan of trend lines, then I mean, you could also draw this trend line here to kind of gauge the, let me make that enough. It's getting too cluttered up. I'll just leave it. So you could do a trend line too if that kind of floats your boat better. But these are, you know, what I would definitely consider the two nearest term levels of support. Resistance-wise, key level here still at $5.35. Yes, it was broken today, but because the price could not maintain above it and close above, still got to be considered an area of resistance. And then the next key overall level of resistance right up there at about $5.85, which is where the price would knock back over here. So no doubt about it, a big volume surge during the afternoon portion of today. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this current move. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.